This proposal is bound to lose credibility if the theoretical background is not strengthened.
Do you think the committee is going to accept our proposal, or is it bound to get rejected again? Halo, pembelajar cerdas semua. Terima kasih sudah mampir lagi di channel saya. Yang belum subscribe yo, klik tombolnya, bunyikan loncengnya, like, komen, dan share ya, supaya selalu dapat pembelajaran terbaru. Hari ini kita bakal belajar cara ngomong kalau kita nggak begitu yakin atau agak pesimis tentang suatu hasil dalam bahasa Inggris. Nah, lewat ungkapan-ungkapan sederhana ini, kamu bisa menyampaikan perasaan itu dengan jelas dan tetap sopan. Kita mulai pelan-pelan dan lihat cara ngomongnya dalam situasi sehari-hari. Hai teman-teman, yuk kita masuk ke vibes ruang ujian, terus dengerin mahasiswa yang lagi tes bahasa.
I don't hold out much hope for passing the IELTS on my first try. I don't hold out much hope for a good band score, to be honest. I'm not too happy about how my practice tests have been going. I'm not at all sure about my chances, even though you seem confident.
You may doubt, but don't stop. Consistent effort often leads to meaningful progress.
Sekarang, mari kita simak beberapa ungkapan lain yang dapat digunakan dengan tujuan yang sama.
I'm not at all sure about this topic. It still doesn't make sense to me.
Yeah, it's pretty confusing.
The lecturer said we might finish early today.
I rather doubt that. Do you think we can complete the presentation tonight? I'm rather doubtful we can do it that fast. How do you feel about our experiment results?
I'm rather doubtful about the accuracy.
Someone said the deadline might be extended.
I don't really believe that.
Do you think this plan will work?
I don't think it's going to work. I'm worried about my research draft. Without clear instructions, I am bound to fail.
I understand. The guidelines are still vague. Maybe you should ask the supervisor for clarification.
Yes, I think that's the only way to avoid major problems later.
This proposal is bound to lose credibility if the theoretical background is not strengthened. So I need to expand the literature review?
Exactly. That will help support your main arguments.
If we ignore the social context, the findings are bound to lose their relevance.
True, we should include that in the discussion section to avoid misinterpretation.
Agreed. It will make the analysis more balanced.
Nah sekarang silakan disimak ungkapan lainnya dengan maksud sama dari mulai netral, informal, formal, dan sangat formal.
Do you think the professor will go for this? Do you think he'll accept it?
No, sorry, can't really see him accepting it.
Do you think the principal will let us have a music day on Friday?
Fat chunks! We still have exams next week.
Let's try asking the teacher to cancel the quiz. No way! She already prepared the questions.
We can finish this poster in an hour, right?
There's no way we can finish it that fast.
I send my proposal for a new club activity. The student council is bound to reject it if you don't explain the budget.
And I'm also thinking of giving the group a 10-page report. Don't do that. The whole class is bound to hate it.
I made a super complicated game for our project.
The team is bound to ditch it if it's too hard to play.
Fat chance of getting extra time on the assignment.
Yeah, the teacher is very strict this week.
The science group is bound not to finish the experiment today.
True. They don't even have the materials ready.
Can you submit the project without signing the form?
Sorry, sir. This can't be done without permission from the school office.
Do you think the committee is going to accept our proposal, or is it bound to get rejected again?
Actually, I'm not all that optimistic about their response this time.
Perhatikan ungkapan alternatif lainnya ya. Seperti,
I'm wondering if they're going to delay the decision like last time. In fact, I'm not all that optimistic that they'll approve anything new this year. To be honest, I'm not all that optimistic after seeing their feedback last month. I have to say I'm not all that optimistic about how they'll react to our idea. To tell the truth, I'm fairly pessimistic about getting approval today. Actually, I'm fairly pessimistic about their willingness to change the curriculum. I'm skeptical about the committee accepting new methods so quickly. I'm rather skeptical about their openness to our proposal. I have to admit to doubts about whether they even read the full report. I suspect they're going to ask for major revisions again. I don't want to sound too pessimistic, but I'm afraid they're not ready to accept big changes.
Demikian pembelajaran kita kali ini. Semoga bermanfaat ya.